Hello Primary 5, how are you today? Let's start our math lesson for today, which is ordering and comparing natural numbers. But before talking about ordering and comparing, do you remember this line? Yeah, it's called the number line. Here is the number line of natural number. Starts from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. To order the natural number is to write it from the smaller to the greater. All of you know it. And what is the meaning of comparing to natural number? Comparing the natural number is to recognize which one is greater and which one is smaller. Example. Our first example is about representation. Represent each of the following two sets on the number line. The first set x we have here 1, 3, 4, and 6. How to represent it in the number line? Of course, the first step is to draw the number line. After drawing the number line by this way, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, let's represent. How to represent? Listen to me. Our first element here is 1, so I will go to 1 and mark on it. Make a circle or square or anything to mark number 1. Second number is 3. By the same way, I will go to the number 3 and circle. 4, go to the number 4 and circle it. No problem. By the same way, our last number is 6. I will go to the number 6 and circle it. Now, I had represented my numbers, which are 1, 3, 4, and 6. Easy? Okay, our second example is to represent the set y, which has 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. But look, it's infinite set. Yeah, how to represent it? No problem. We have 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'll go to 4, mark on it. 5, mark 5, 6, mark 6, 7, mark 7, and so on. So I'll make what? As you see, I'll make this arrow. This ray, which represent I'm going after 7 to infinity with the number line. Now remember, we have these signs. This one, its name was smaller than, but here is a line under it. What is the meaning of this line? It's called smaller than or equal. Smaller than or equal. And of course, this one will be greater than or equal. And remember, on the number line, when we are going to the right side, we are increasing. The number will become greater or bigger. When going to the left side, we are decreasing the number. The number became smaller. Okay, let's solve with me this exercise. Represent the following on the number line. A, 2. How to represent 2 on the number line? The first step is to draw the number line. It's drawn here. I need to mark or represent the number 4, the number 2, sorry. So I will go to the number 2 and mark it. Now I make the representation of the number 2. Question B. The natural number between 0 and 5. What are the natural number between 0 and 5? Of course, the natural number between 0 and 5 are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to represent it, I'll draw the number line and mark on my numbers. My numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4 by this way. Easy? Yes, it's easy. Question C. The natural number less than 5 but greater than 3. What are the natural number which are less than 5? The natural number which are less than 5 are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But he said greater than 3. So only 4 is the natural number which is greater than 3 and smaller than 5. I'll draw my number line and mark on 4. I hope that you can understand. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.